Hi everyone, so this video will discuss your 3-4 journal reflection assignment on cultural and social forces. So here's the prompt that you have for this assignment. There are 3 questions you will be answering. To answer the first question, you will be identifying some of the cultural and social forces that impact how we think and behave. Now, you don't need to name all of the cultural and social forces that we discussed, but you should be able to name at least a few and talk about how these cultural and social forces have an impact. What is it about them that has caused people to have certain behaviors? For question 2, you will be giving an example of a behavior that is impacted by socialization and cultural forces. You could take this example from your own life or discuss behavior that you've observed. Be sure to mention what cultural or social force you feel is connected with that behavior. And then the final question is asking you to discuss how things like media and advertising impact our understanding of how we should act or behave in a culture or group. Remember that each of these answers should be at least a paragraph long. Please be sure to take a look at your assignment guidelines and rubric for details on how the assignment will be scored. So remember, this assignment is due by 11:59 p.m. in your time zone on Sunday. If you have any questions, you can send me an email or you can post your question in the general questions discussion board. Have a great rest of your week and thanks for watching.